Mac, get your gears on. Tonight we're going to draw robogramps from Yokai Watch 2. Robogramps is another mechanical yokai from the future. Sort of like Gramps. His stomach is a recycling bin. And, well, he's taken his digestive system to another level. Impressive, right? I find it impressive. Here's the compactor under his mustache. And complete. That is how you draw robogramps. Consider it a mission complete. Even though it's a distant future, he'll see his grand offspring real soon. He'll get the chance to visit her grave soon. That's how you draw robogramps. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Stegosaurus, see you later. Wait, hey Dad, what's a compactor? Yeah?
Compresses things together.
Okay, that's what it is. It compresses things together. That's what a compactor is. That's all for now.